South Africa before freedom and South Africa after freedom has one common agenda, which is fighting for security, equality, and apartheid in our land. That drives citizens to get equal access to opportunities regardless of race, gender, income, sexual orientation, social status, black domination, and white domination becoming one, walking in the same path and talking one language. After 30 years of democracy and freedom, exile and efforts, but apartheid still exists. You will never find a white child in black-dominated school okanye ngeliphandle ezikolweni zaselokishini. It's only blacks who allows their children to go and study to white-dominated schools. We're not being racial. It's a fact, truth that apartheid still exists.